Look over there. Look. Oh, look at that. That's a mouse. Yeah, you got House Mouse. Goofy, babe.
Go take it to Dad. He'll help you open it.
Get the stocking out. Shrek, yeah. House of Mouse and Shrek. Candy. Look at that. There's more in there. Go get the more in there. Shrek. Shrek, that's Shrek. Yeah, you got a new Shrek movie and Mickey Mouse. Look at House Mouse. Give him kisses. Oh, you gave him. Oh yeah. Go keep going. There's more in there for you, baby. I can't find another sock, babe.
It's on top of the TV back there.
There's only one up there. Candy canes, huh? These are good for coffee stir. You want to make coffee? You want to stir them with one of these? Peppermint stick. So to show you on the thing right here. Oh, you better go back in there. You got more stuff in there.
Look in your stocking.
Go look in your stocking. House of Mouse? Who's this from? Mama and Daddy? Get in your stocking. There's more stuff. There's some stuff in your stocking still. Lilo. We'll open all that stuff in a minute here. Get your stocking. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Open it. Help me open it. Go like this. Open it. Keep opening it. Don't do that. Open the paper. Rip the paper off. Spider-Man, yeah. Look at that. Oh, rip it off. Rip it off. The ball, huh? Hold on, you gotta rip it off. Look, see? Pull it off. Pull it off. Pull the paper off. Look at Spider-Man. You got the basketball. Try to open it all the way up. Let's see. Let's see what this is all about, man. I think we got to hang it on the door, huh?
Yeah.
Or we could hang it on a chair or something.
I don't know.
Hold on, mister. Let Daddy get this thing off, man. Look, Daddy. Look. Check this out.
What?
The basketball. Okay? Basketball. How does this go, babe? I don't think this thing... I think this thing's broken, babe.
Is there more stuff in the side there?
Yeah. Boom. How's this thing go on here?